How to use WinRAR to extract files. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to extract files using WinRAR. Open up your web browser first and go to the search bar. Simply search for WinRAR download, hit enter, and then go to the first link. You can download the latest version WinRAR from here if your PC supports it. Click on this installation file. It will be downloaded. Now run that installer and your WinRAR should open up. If you just search for WinRAR here, you can just open up the file. Now, once you have opened up the installation file, it will select the destination folder, click on install, and once the app has been installed, click on OK, tap on done. Now, all you need to do is convert some PDFs into your desired documents. So you don't need to have PDFs necessarily. It could be any zipped files and you can just extract them. So let me just go ahead and open up the WinRAR. I'm going to go to the search bar and simply search for WinRAR and hit enter. Now once you have opened up the app, just go ahead and browse through your folders to find the zipped files. So let me just go ahead and click on browse. I'm going to go back here and then go to the picture. So I'm going to click on file. I'm going to go to open archive, then go to pictures. And here I have a transfer zip file. So I'm going to open it, click on the folder and then extract to. I'm going to extract it to this particular folder here or this destination and click on OK. Once you do that, you should be able to extract all of your files. So here are all the PNG images that I have just downloaded. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.